Welcome back, folks. It's your boy Jaban. I'm back again. Today we're talking about the startup file. Let's just get right into Blender. First thing you can see is with my Blender, I don't have a default cube. I have my guy here because I can instantly tell where forwards and backwards is. We can change any of these windows, set it up exactly how we want by dragging out new windows, changing the layout here at the top left. And when I save my startup file, it opens exactly how I like it. Another thing we can set up our preferences, and I have my preferences with autosave. So once I change anything, it automatically saves, and that's where we run into problems. Some things can get saved that we don't want. So what we need is we need to be able to locate where our startup file is and our preferences are saved so we can create a copy. So if anything ever gets changed, we can come right back to the preferences we like. To do that, we're going to explore our computer files. Let's go to your main drive, users, then whatever the name of your users is. Now we're going to click on these three dots, go into options, go to our view tab and click show hidden files, folders and drives, click apply. Now we'll have access to this app data. Click here, go to Roman, Blender Foundation, Blender, click whatever version you're working with and config. And finally, we have found the startup and preferences. So let's copy those, move those anywhere you can remember. And now if we ever have issues, we can just go right back, grab these files and paste them in and get our old settings back. And that's it for today, guys. I'll catch you on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. See you there.